Welcome to Harper Reservoir Ranch. 235 acres in beautiful southern Oregon. At the heart of the ranch is the scenic Harper Reservoir, covering over 6 surface acres and allowing for 34 acre-feet of storage. The property boasts additional live water features with the year-round flow of Antelope Creek. Water rights include 11.6 acres of supplemental irrigation and 68 acres from Rogue River Valley Irrigation District. With 5 EFU-zoned parcels, perimeter fencing, and open meadows, this land offers potential for agriculture, conservation, and privacy. The property's overall acreage provides for strong home site potential, plus convenient location near Eagle Point, Stone Ridge Golf Course, and the Rogue Valley International Airport. Privacy, water, and open space make the Harper Reservoir Ranch one of Southern Oregon's unique large acreage opportunities.